he must favour the cross. And the keeper throws himself at the ball. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Well, he failed to get it away properly. And in the end, no damage done. They need to get tighter. Can he put them in front? And how about that for a save? And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris. Well, it's all been a little bit quiet on the